Hey guys, welcome to this channel. This is gonna be my first video ever. I'm gonna upload giveaways all the time, so stay tuned for those. But for today, as you know, the freaking iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus have been just announced, and I'm gonna give away those two for my first video. So it will be 256 gigabyte phones. You choose the color. What you have to do to enter is subscribe, leave a like and a comment, and share it with your friends if you want. The giveaway will last for about a month. I know the iPhone 7 is not out yet. It's just announced. It's gonna be out in about a month. So I'm gonna DM you on YouTube. I'm gonna send you a message or an email. And you're gonna reply with what color you want and where do you live and all your info so that I can send it to you. So good luck to everybody. This is gonna be a huge giveaway. I bet I'm one of the first people to actually give away this dope phone that has just been announced. It's an awesome phone. You guys saw the keynote. Apple is doing such a great work in this phone. It's gonna be amazing. I'm super hyped. I'm gonna get two for me as well. So two for you guys, one simple iPhone 7 and one iPhone 7 Plus. Good luck everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers and I'm gonna post another giveaway. I wanna give away another iPhone 7 because this channel is gonna be huge, all about giveaways. Thank you for watching. Enter, as I said before, make sure you leave a like and subscribe and a comment. Also, the giveaway is international. No matter where you live, I'm gonna send it to you. You just have to send me your address and stuff. If you win, I will email you. So thank you again for watching. Good luck everybody. Happy iPhone 7 day and I'll see you in the next one.